After Prime Minister Modi sent out a strong message in Ladakh, visibly stunned China has been issuing statements one after the other. The Chinese embassy spokesperson has now issued a fresh statement claiming that China has demarcated boundary with 12 of its neighboring countries through peaceful negotiations, turning land borders into bonds of friendly cooperation. He said that it was groundless to view China as an expansionist. Here's what the Prime Minister had to say yesterday.
दुनिया ने आपका अदम्य साहस देखा है, जाना है। आपकी शौर्य गाथाएं घर घर में गूंज रही है और भारत माता के दुश्मनों ने आपकी फायर हुई देखी है और आपकी फ्यूरी भी।
Well, he's talked about expansionism and he's said in so many clean words that henceforth he's going to have a complete infrastructure created on Ladakh and all these borders. The very presence of the Prime Minister in this terrain at 11,000 feet addressing our soldiers post the Galwan conflict it does give a complete indication that it's just not the soldiers who have been praised and the brave soldiers, the martyrs have been remembered. It's also a straight message to China. It's the Prime Minister of India who has said that हमारे शहीदों का बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा. And I'm sure this is what the Prime Minister meant there.
Geeta Mohan is now joining us for the very latest. Geeta, first up, why don't you walk our viewers through what statement China has now issued? Of course, this is coming in after they were absolutely cornered. They were compelled to issue statement after getting stunned with the surprise visit of the Prime Minister in Ladakh and his address.
Well, Cherry, the fact that China has responded to statements made by Prime Minister where he did not even name China, that really goes to show that China knows that the Prime Minister, when he speaks about expansionism, he means China. And that's the reason why the Chinese embassy spokesperson came out with a statement talking about how they have demarcated the boundary between China and 12 other neighboring nations out of 14, trying to point out that it is India that is the problem and not China. But the fact and the question remains that why is it that China has territorial issues with almost all its neighbors despite having demarcated its boundary with a few? That really goes to show that despite and in spite of demarcation, China continues its claims of territorial expansion and is not going to relent. But India's message was very strong that India is not going to give in and that China will have to move back.
All right, leave it at that. Geeta Mohan getting us those latest updates. Thanks for joining us. We'll continue tracking the story in much detail. Now, it was an unscheduled visit that took the nation by surprise. At around 6:30 a.m. this morning, Prime Minister Modi landed at the epicenter of the flashpoint with China, Ladakh. He met the troops, visited the injured braves of Galwan, and gave an impassioned speech that gave full clarity on India's stand on the border standoff. This happened yesterday and not this morning. Small correction there.
भारत माता की जय। आप मां भारती की ढाल बन करके उसकी रक्षा करते हैं, उसका मुकाबला पूरे विश्व में कोई नहीं कर सकता है।
PM Narendra Modi's sharpest message to Xi Jinping's China. India is ready. The nation will not flinch from aggression.
हम वो लोग हैं जो बांसुरीधारी कृष्ण की पूजा करते हैं, तो हम वही लोग हैं जो सुदर्शन चक्रधारी कृष्ण को भी आदर्श मान करके चलते हैं।
In a supercharged speech filled with emotion and praise, the Prime Minister hailed the valor of India's forces in Ladakh.
आपकी शौर्य गाथाएं घर घर में गूंज रही है और भारत माता के दुश्मनों ने आपकी फायर हुई देखी है और आपकी फ्यूरी भी.
While the Prime Minister didn't mention China once during his 26-minute speech, the message to Beijing was loud and clear. Especially of 14 Corps, the Prime Minister has also assured India that it's quite capable of handling China.
14 कोर की जांबाजी के किस्से तो हर तरफ है. दुनिया ने आपका अदम्य साहस देखा है, जाना है. आपकी शौर्य गाथाएं घर घर में गूंज रही है.
The Prime Minister visited an operational area in Ladakh's Nimu, just west of Leh. The 69-year-old defied physical odds when he landed at Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport at Leh at 11,000 feet with rarefied atmosphere. Accompanied by Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and Army Chief General M.M. Naravane, the Prime Minister also met the 18 soldiers injured in the Galwan clash at the Leh Military Hospital. In the wake of heightened tensions at the border, Prime Minister Modi's visit has galvanized troops, flexed Indian muscle and sent out an unmistakable message to China that it has only two options: either restore status quo ante or accept the inevitable consequences of this escalation. With Abhishek Bhalla in Leh, Bureau Report, India Today.
भारत माता की जय.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.